we are here in WJBB 303 busbar machine, multi-press machine. So I'll explain to you the operation of punching, bending, and cutting. Okay. This machine is there is one motor inside. So I'll just show you. So this is the breaker, main breaker, and this is the contactor. Contactor, it means one motor inside. Okay. So our connection is three-phase. That is star connection for 440, 380 volts. So this is our control. Relay is there. Okay. So first, I will show you how to fix the mold in our punching section. First, this one. Wrench. The screw. I have the punch and die, 12 mm punch and 12 mm die. Okay. This is the bottom and this is the position. Okay. So I will express the punching. So the punching is the guiding on behind. Like this. So this is the lock screw. Okay, check the position inside. You can see here behind, and there is a lock also in behind here. This one. This is using for the oblong position. Oblong punch and die. This is very important for oblong position. Okay. So the direction of the oblong, even square punching you require. So our punch lock is on the top. So this is more safety and strong. So there is no chance to lose. Just tight by range. Spanner 19 mm. So the punching is already there. So you need to fix this one, our auxiliary stopper. In our auxiliary stopper, you can apply up to 18 mm punch maximum to the stopper. So you have to fix here the bottom. Then you need to tight here in behind. Also there is one screw here. So you know what is the advantage of this one? This stopper. We have also another stopper also. That is small one. I just so this is the small one. So that's the bigger one. This is the small one. You can punching minimum for the small punch, small busbar. You can punching minimum through the area of the stopper. Okay, so that's why our design is like that, changeable the auxiliary stopper. So it's the biggest one. So after fix the auxiliary and punch, then you need to fix the die. This is the guiding hole, and we have also guiding pin here, spring type. Okay. Especially this using for the oblong position. So to get the correct position of the die, especially for oblong. Okay. So this is the die lock. Our die lock, we have two screws. Easy to fix. This is more safety because lock by screw. Okay. So we have have one plate level also to put the bus bar properly, and also we have a guiding point, center point, to see the center point of the marking. If you have a center mark for in your bus bar. So I have this kind of bus bar that is 10 by 60. So I'll show you how to punching without marking. So in this machine there is also some operation also without marking you can use. We have a jig guiding bus bar here behind. This is the one plate you can adjust according to your adjustment, and we have also stopper here. This stopper you can use punching and from the cutting section. So in this jig, you just adjusting according to your requirements. Okay. So in this case, in case if you want to punching nearly in the punching area, so you can make also some one bus bar according to your size. For example, okay, I may guide this to bus bar. This is the one of idea only. I have seen in our customer. It's more easy. Okay. Okay. So now you can see I will punch now this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 without any marking. Okay. So you can see I will get the bus bar through the end and to the beside. So they can recognize the center. Okay. So I'll punch now. Motor pump, punching. Okay, you can start punching now. So I'll show you. So you can get properly equal level. Okay, so 1. We make opposite. 2. Without marking, you can punch the 2 hole. Okay. So how you can adjust? So according to your size, you can make like that. As I told you, you just remove one plate, more fast, without adjustment the scale. Okay, you just remove one steel, push down. So according to your size, for example, I adjust this one 40, you know, 40 till here, according to my size. Then I make punching. That, then opposite again. So that is the purpose of our jig. Okay. So you can punching 4 hole without marking, but in your idea also by using another plate and also our plate jig. Okay. So you want to punching also without marking, so you can be using also our center point. Okay. In case if you want punching a center point according to your length, according to your size, so you can punching also like that. See, by center point. If you have any marking, just punch only. Okay. So at the same time, you can adjust also the length of the bus bar here according to your size. Okay. So that's one of the idea. Function of our punching section. Okay. So now I will try to bend this one. First I want to cut first. You have length, you can cut according to your length. You can use this one also. Try to cut this one. You can see the scale here. There is 200. example, or 150 like that. So for example, I cut this one from the hole, end of the hole. By visual also you can see if you have any marking here on the top, because there is hole here. Okay, so you can calculate. So because I have only this bus bar, I'll cut this. Cutting is finishing. You can see very straight. Okay. Cutting is simple. So I'll try to bend. So our bending is also according to your size. You can adjust also here. If you have any marking, you can use our center point to the scale. Okay, so doesn't matter. So in our machine, we have also this we are calling digital encoder. Okay, so you can see there is a digital encoder there. This one our standard setting for the 10 mm bus bar. For example, bending angle 10 mm thickness degree. Okay, the setting of the digital encoder is creating for 10 degrees 256. Okay, so I just adjust 200, hold press, zero is coming 3, adjust 256 for example. Okay, and transfer 2.5, another one is 6. This encoder, you can create any kind of angle as per of your requirements. For example, depends on the thickness and depends on your angle required. So you can create any kind of angle. So any requirements inside the factory, you can fix here what kind of your requirements or make diary like that. So for example, I make 256 10 degree. They will give only 10 degree bending. Okay, see? 10 degree only. Okay. See? So if you want to increase the degree, for example, if you want 45 degree, so it means that is 310. I adjust for 310. I make 3. I make 1. 0, 1. I make 0. Okay. Move. That's 310. Okay. So they will give 310 to going to 45 degree. Okay. So let's see what happens. This, the digital encoder, the encoder following to our sensor. Sensor is here. This is the sensor gear. They have a sensor here, gear sensor. This one, rotary sensor. This one. Okay. So I'll just try again. So you can see bending area according to your finger. Okay. So that is 45 degree, okay? If you want opposite, 45 degree, you can do also 45 opposite. You can hold if any wrong position, you can manual also going up. This is the manual. If any wrong setting, you can up manual, okay? Our pedal is following to our setting only. 45 degree. Then same degree, okay? Equal 45 degree, okay? Like that. So that's the advantage of in our machine to have digital encoder setting. So in case 90 degree, so 90 degree is there, 90 degree. So you need to set 390. Okay. 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 390. Then mode. Bend this one, 90 degree. So if you can see, our busbar is center, okay? Busbar is center. We are using this one, our guiding pin. This one and this one. The reason of this guiding pin to make center the busbar and equal bending also the two busbar not become twisted, okay? So that's the purpose. Not only for that, the guiding pin to help the protect of the bending unit, because if you're bending from this area, the pressure will come here, so it will damage our bending. So the proper using is should be center, okay? So in case if you have big bus bar 100 mm, then you will guide here in 100 mm, okay? Like that. So in case we have 60, you can set here 60, okay? So now I'm setting for 90 degree, so that is 390. So they will give exactly 90 degree. Okay. So it's 90 degree, okay? Exactly 90 degree. Without cracking. That's all.